This video covers Wednesday's homework for December 7th in Spelman. The first question in December 7th gives you 4 coordinates of a rectangle. You're then asked to find the length and width of the rectangle, the perimeter of the rectangle, and the area. To draw this rectangle, you'll need to plot each of these points. As a reminder, when you're plotting points, the first coordinate is the x. It tells you how far to move side to side. And the second coordinate is the y. It tells you how far to move up and down. So, to plot 3, 0, I move over 3 and up and down 0 spaces. So I simply put a dot right here on the x-axis. I don't move up and down at all because my y-coordinate is 0. Once you plot the remaining 3 points, you'll end up with a rectangle, and you can tell me the length and the width in units. You'll also need to tell me the perimeter. Remember that perimeter just means the distance around the shape. For example, if I had a rectangle that was 2 units tall and 3 units wide, the perimeter would be 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3, which would equal 10 units. I'll write per for perimeter. Then you'll need to find the area, which is length times width. Go ahead and pause this video to try question 1 and come back for more homework help. On question 2, your job is to draw a square with 1 vertex on the origin and a perimeter of 20. This is a little bit confusing because there's this extra coordinate pair here that says -3, 5. -3, 5 isn't relevant to the question because it tells you to draw a vertex on the origin, so you can just cross that out. You know that one corner of the square is going to be located on the origin and that the perimeter of the square needs to be 20. Remember, squares have equal sides. Every single side is the same. The distance around the square, when you trace the outside, will be 20. You need to figure out how you could put this square on the grid. In question 3, you're given the points and being asked to form a polygon. A polygon is just any shape with 3 or more sides. So you'll plot each of these points, connect the sides, and again, find the perimeter, which is just the distance around. Finally, in question 4, you'll be listing a coordinate pair that represents each point. For example, the coordinate pair of I is 4, 4. Make sure you write them in parentheses. If you have any questions about tonight's homework or anything from this video, be sure to check in with me by the end of the week.